how to sell online career coaching sessions on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own product using this platform. So first of all, I'm going to explain this platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products, or when you can buy the other sellers' products. As you can see in here, we have a lot of products in here, and most of them are handmade products. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a shop page exactly like this one, how to create the description of your shop page, how to add all of these options to choose from, the style, the quantity. So I'm going to show you how you can add all of this, how you can add the pictures of your product, the video, the other pictures as well. Also, I'm going to show you how you can add these details, and the width, the height, the handmade materials, and all of that. I'm going also to show you how you can write a good description for your product like this one. So I'm going to show you all of it, and also I'm going to show you how you can set a shipping and return policies like these ones. Or also I'm going to show you how you can create your own shipping and return policies. So let's get started by going back to the main page, then click on the shop manager button in order to proceed to setting up your shop. So here we have 6 steps to go through in order to create our shop, and they are the shop preferences, choosing a name for your shop, stocking your shop, choosing how you'll get paid, setting up the billing, and your shop security. So here, let's start with the shop preferences. So in the shop preferences, you will choose the shop's language and the shop's country, and also the shop's currency. So for me, I'm going to change the shop's currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue. After that, we choose a name for the shop. So it doesn't matter what name you give it now, you can always change the name later. So I'm going to try to shorten up this name, remove the spaces between words in order to make it between 4 and 20 characters. So as you can see, it's still long. I still need to remove something. So this name is available, as you can see. Then click on save and continue. After that, you will proceed to stock in your shop. So here you will add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So before even adding photos and details about the product, first click on save and continue to see all of the required details to fill, starting with photos, where you will need at least to upload 1 photo. Then we have the inventory, where you will need to type a price for the product. Then we have the listing details, and here you will need to fill all of these red fields, as you can see. Then we have the shipping, where you will need to fill all of these red fields also. So let's start from the beginning with photos. So here, add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn, or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. And then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15-second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model, or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Then crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details, where you will enter a title for your product. Then you will choose who made it. You will answer to these 3 questions. Who made it? Let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things? Let's go with the finished product. When did you make it? When did you make it? We have 3 categories: not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently, specifically between 2020 and 2023. And then for the category, let's just type our product's name, and let's choose a category for it. Then we have these additional details to fill, like choosing the primary color of the product, secondary color as well, occasion, and a holiday. So I'm going to choose a holiday for it, or no. Then you have the renewal options, if you want an automatic renewal, or if you want a manual one, you can choose. The difference between them is one is free and the other one costs 20 cents. So let's go with the manual. And for the type of the product, let's go with the digital product. And for the description, start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say? Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then you will go to the inventory and pricing and make sure to type the product price. Then you will upload that product of yours in here. Click on upload file and choose the file and upload it. You will need at least 1 file, or if you have more, you can upload 5 more files. And then you click on save and continue to proceed to the next step. And as you can see, there are no returns or exchanges when you sell digital products. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.